We're here for lunch. Changa. They have kare-kare. How can you push na? They have kare-kare and rice and pagong, lamang. And he's waiting for his fast food. So, get some of this rice. Yummy. The restaurant, they have used oxtail. Oxtail, they have bok choy somewhere, green beans, bok choy, eggplants. There's the eggplant right there. So, oh, look at this, full of the bone. There's no more meat on that one. Wow. Ah.